Hi. So it's quiz time again, and today's quiz gonna be vocabulary from lesson 28. So let's begin, guys. The first question we have here is, what is temperature in Chinese? We have A, 温暖, B, 冰, C, 温度, and D, 热. So I will give you some time to think. So 温暖 is warm, 冰 is ice, 温度 is temperature, and 热 is hot. So the right answer for this question is C, 温度. The next question we have here, what is humid in Chinese? We have A, 干燥, B, 冷, C, 冻结, D, 湿润. So let's try to guess first, guys.干燥 is dry, 冷 is cold, 冻结 is freeze or to freeze, 湿润 is humid. So humid in Chinese is D, 湿润. Moving on to the next question. What is ice in Chinese? So we have A, 冰, B, 冻结, C, 冷, and D, 热. So let's think first, guys. So 冰 is ice, 冻结 is freeze or to freeze, 冷 is cold, 热 is hot. So the correct answer for this question is A, 冰. The next question here, what is dry in Chinese? So we have A, 湿润, B, 干燥, C, 温度, D, 温暖. So which one do you think is the right answer? So 湿润 is humid, 干燥 is dry, 温度 is temperature, and 温暖 is warm. So dry in Chinese is B, 干燥. Moving on to the next question. What is cold in Chinese? So we have A, 冻结, B, 干燥, C, 冷, and D, 温度. So I will give you time to think. So 冻结 is freeze, 干燥 is dry, 冷 is cold, and 温度 is temperature. So the right answer for this question is C, 冷. The next question we have here, what is freeze in Chinese? We have A, 温暖, B. 湿润 C. 冻结 and D. 冰 So I will let you guess first. When one is warm, 湿润 is humid, 冻结 is freeze, and 冰 is ice. So freeze in Chinese is obviously C. 冻结, 冻结. The next question here, what is hot in Chinese? So we have A. 热 B. 冰 C. 湿润 D. 冷 So which one do you think is the correct answer? So 热 is hot, 冰 is ice, 湿润 is humid, and 冷 is cold. So hot in Chinese is A. 热 Moving on to the next question. What is warm in Chinese? We have A. 温暖 B. 干燥 C. 温度 and D. 冻结 So let's try to think first. So 温暖 is warm, 干燥 is dry, 温度 is temperature, and 冻结 is freeze. Warm in Chinese is A. 温暖. So that's all for today's quiz. I hope that you guys enjoy it as much as I do. So how many questions do you get right out of those 8 questions? I will see you on next lesson. Good job, guys.